Mr. Postman has been and brought me my new MacBook. I've used MacBook for years, big fan of the MacBook. This will be my fourth one. I'm currently using a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Couple of reasons I updated. As we all know, Apple has been using their own silicon for a while. I'm still on Intel, and I keep thinking, how long will it be before developers stop supporting their apps for Intel chips, and how long before Apple stop doing macOS and security updates for Intel? So, new one with Apple Silicon. M3 silicon. Apple have done three variations of the M3 chip this year, the M3, M3 Pro and M3 Max, and they showed us lots of charts to show us how powerful they all are and told us these are the best ones they have ever made. Now, I don't think anyone expects them to tell us the new products perform worse than the old ones. The model I've gone for is the 14-inch MacBook Pro in space black, and it's the off-the-shelf M3 Pro, so we have a 12-core CPU, 18-core GPU, 18 gig of unified memory and 1 terabyte of storage. So let's dive in the box. Just have to hold my phone in my hand while I do this. Sorry, I don't have any fancy camera holding equipment and whatnot. So there we go. We've got the MacBook itself. Stick that over there for a minute, and it's a weighty thing, a lot heavier than the last one. Charging cable, nice black colour, and they've gone for that braided cable again, similar to what we have with the new iPhones. Some literature, and there's probably some stickers in there as well, and then the power brick. Now, that would have been nice if that was in black as well. And of course, I'm in the UK, so UK power brick. Now that is heavy. The power brick is a right lump. We have a little information pack in there. So we have a little leaflet on it. We have some other information, and they've sent us some stickers, and they're in the space black colour, so that's nice. And there it is. Quick look around it, you can see the MacBook Pro on the bottom, and it's got some plastic feet, one on each corner there. Straight away, it's not as black as I thought it was going to be. If you look at it in the picture on the website, I know it's in different lighting and whatever, but it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. It's almost got like a blue, purple kind of tint to it. It's a solid lump, a weighty thing. This has a 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a HDMI port, SD card slot, headphone jack and MagSafe 3 port. So back to MagSafe, happy days, and that's for the 96-watt USB-C power adapter. No touch bar on this one. I always liked the touch bar, and I did use it. I know it wasn't the most popular of things with people, and others found it useless. Developers didn't really do a lot with it, but I was one of the few people that did like and use it. Other things, we've got a 1080p camera with technologies to help you look sharp in any light, studio quality 3 mic array that minimises background noise so your voice comes through loud and clear, a 6 speaker sound system, connectivity, we have Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. When it's not plugged into mains power, Apple claim the battery will last up to 22 hours and that all models will remain just as fast whether plugged in or not. Just look at it though, it looks stunning. I know there are lots of computers in black, but this thing just looks amazing. Like with anything Apple, it feels like a highly engineered quality product, an exceptional build. We know they are obsessive about how they manufacture things. They don't always get it right though, like with the keys on a previous MacBook model. Only time will tell how this coating is going to hold up, but right away I can tell it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. I do look after my tech, always put things in cases and sleeves and keep my gadgets safe. This is where another YouTuber might advertise a really overpriced accessory from the channel sponsor, but I don't have a channel sponsor. I'll just get something from Jeff that will do the same thing for a fraction of the price, and I advise you do the same. So that's the new M3 MacBook Pro. I'm going to get it all set up and then use it to put this video together. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them in the next video.